Hello friends, welcome back. Let us start a new tutorial of programming language C. In this tutorial, first of all, we will study about variables. So what is a variable? A variable is an identifier which is used to represent some specified type of information within a designated portion of a program. In its simplest form, a variable is an identifier which is used to represent a single data item. Now, the data item must be assigned to the variable at some point in the program. And a given variable can be assigned different data items at various places within the program. Here you can see these two lines of C program. So in these two lines you can see that these two lines are type declarations, right? These two lines are type declarations which state that A, B and C, they are integer variables, and this D is a character type variable. So here what happens, these variables A, B and C, they will each represent an integer valued quantity, and this variable D, it will represent a single character. Now another is array. So what is an array? Array is another kind of variable. An array is an identifier, right? And what happens, this array, it refers to a collection of data items, and all the data items in an array must be of same type. So what are the arrays? About arrays we will study in detail in future in another tutorials. So what happens, each array variable must be followed by a pair of square brackets containing a positive integer which specifies the size of the array. Here the size of the array means the number of elements in the array. For example, here you can see this. Here text is an array variable, right? And it is followed by a pair of square brackets, and these square brackets contains a positive integer 80 which specifies the size of this array. It means this array can have 80 data items, right? And here you can see this char, it is the data type. It specifies that all the elements in this array will be character. Now all variables must be declared before they can appear in executable statements. So what happens in declaration? Actually a declaration associates a group of variables with a specific data type. Here you can see this in these two lines, you can see. Okay, here what we have done, this group of variables A, B and C, it is associated with the data type integer. So the declaration consists of a data type followed by one or more variable names ending with a semicolon, right? Now the next topic is